All right, what to do? Little trade recap for you guys. Going back to the basics. I'm feeling a little under the weather, so I don't really feel like recording a whole live trade. But I did take one, and I made $270, $269 to be exact. And I'll show you guys what I did. So I took this on Nasdaq, and I haven't traded Nasdaq in a while. ES just looked, yeah, not good. So we get that out of there. So Nasdaq came up and swept these out. Took us a while. They didn't sweep it until like 9:40, whatever. Well, we saw this break of structure off of the liquidity sweep. So all I did was wait for this 5-minute fair value gap to be filled. Let's mark this out for you guys here. Right there. Comes up, fills. I took a couple different entries. I took 3 contracts total due to NQ just being a little bit higher risk. So as soon as it tested here, I entered the first contract. My position was a little further up. And then it comes down here, or maybe I entered somewhere over here, but it comes down, and then when it rejects back up, I take another entry, adding 2 contracts onto the first one that I took. And yeah, then I just let it ride. I kind of played with my stop loss a little bit, or I'm sorry, my take profit a little bit. I thought we were going to go low and take out all this low resistance liquidity. I set a partial here, and partials right here, I believe. And I was just going to let the last one ride out. But it's okay, because I was trailing my stop loss aggressively in a profit. So I took $270 total today. So, that was the trade. I know that's a quick video, but, man, can we talk about how terrible the market has been? Like, hang on. So, Trump and our government has been threatening to bomb Lebanon, their civilization and whatnot. We keep changing the dates, yada yada. Well, yesterday, last minute, Trump delays it, and the Nasdaq shoots up. Let me not be incorrect here. From its previous low, shoots up 1,318 bars. So, or points, rather. Okay. That's a little weird. It makes a atrocious fair value gap. This is what's ruining the market. I mean, look, like, the chart actually looks so bad. Like, I can't even believe I traded in this. But we took some fucking profs. So you can't complain, man. Cannot complain on a winning day. God on my side, man. I think I'm doing fairly good on my performance stats. I finally have a better win rate. It's above 50%. Definitely got to work on my average winning and losing trade. Losing trade is perfect. Like, $134 as an average losing trade is phenomenal, considering $500 is like a percent of the account. And that, you guys know my rule, 1% risk. So that's what I'm doing. I'm only up $61 in the account. That was a hard fought battle. I think I'm on a 5-day winning streak. I've made $543 this week. I made $81 last week. You see, I'm just not trading that much. But yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. So you guys can see all the orders that I've taken. Basically short. The one time I longed, I lose. I actually made $500 that day. Holy shit! When was that? When the fuck was that? Oh, on an account I probably blew. Funny enough. Yeah. So you guys can look at stats, pause the video, check out. Yeah, I short an ass ton. That's not my fault. Our government is trashing the economy right before our eyes. No one cares. Our government is controlled by a country the size of New Jersey, who also happens to collect blackmail through Jeffrey Epstein, hoping not to get striked or something for saying this. And yeah, I think it should just be made aware that there are pedophiles and devil worshippers in our government, in the American government, and I don't stand for that shit at all. They're ruining the economy. They're inside trading. I'm fairly certain I saw an article. It might not be true, but an unnamed account shorted $157 million on oil hours before this announcement right here. Hours before, like 3 hours before. Not to mention that other trade. I think it was this candle. I don't know. There was another huge movement the other day where right before Trump announced the attacks on Iran, or right before they bombed them, there was like a $60 million long on oil Barron Trump placed. And that's sort of crazy, but whatever. I just think that should be known. Trade safe, man. The market is against you. The market makers don't want you to win. They want to see you fail. They've been completely, almost, it's scary to say, but they've been changing the algorithm, it seems like. I mean, we just get like these launch movements up now with no sign of retracement. When did market even open, bro? Right here. Yeah, it's just some bullshit. Like, just look at the 1 minute chart. There's just nothing you can go off of. We break structure, doesn't fucking matter. We go right back up. Which is always the case in trading, but just through March and as of right now, through this first couple weeks in April, it has been trash, bro. It's been trash. It's been like, go look at my trade from Tuesday. It's the same thing happened. Like, why did this not fulfill out? Like, I guess it had enough liquidity, but it's like, are we really just gonna go sweep one? Oh, sweep these. Oh, we're going right back up. Like, give me a fucking break, dude. Yeah, but here's what we're doing. So I appreciate you guys for watching. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comments. I basically answer everybody. Use code LandoBTrading at Eclipse Holsters for 5% off. Link in the description. 1,000 subs by the end of the year. That's the goal. Like, subscribe, I guess. That's so cringe to say, but I gotta do it, man. Gotta try and make some money. Gotta try and change my life. You guys can help me do that, so I'd appreciate it for some support. And yeah, that's how I made $270 trading the NASDAQ today. Deuces.